Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Sapphire. Thank you ever so kindly for stopping by. If this is your first time here, welcome to the channel, and I hope and pray that there's something that I say or maybe that you see that you're about to see that will get you to come back for more. If you want to be part of this jewel collection, thank you ever so kindly. Just click on that subscribe button, press the bell, and then turn on your notifications. So as I have in the dining room, I'm going to share with you what I do use on my hair around this time of the season. I have been often asked, I do have 100 new subscribers, and I just recently found out that I have 11 more subscribers. Thank you guys so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So I'm going to get everything ready, and then in a couple of seconds, then I'll show you what I use on my hair, and then I'll come back, okay? So stay tuned for that. All right. Okay, here are the products. So this is my moisturizer. This is the almond avocado daily moisturizing lotion. Now, it's not the lotion that you would think it, look like a cream, but this is more like, like I wouldn't even say a gel, but it's like this, the consistency of it. But it goes on very smooth, and it leaves my hair so hydrated. I love it. I used to use this right here. You guys remember this right here? Now what's in here is my Herbal Essence Rose Hemp Conditioner. I have maybe 3 tablespoons of my jojoba oil and then water. Now, the measurements, I just know the oil, but when I put my conditioner here, I would just squeeze it in here, and then the water just fill it up till I got this consistency right here. You see that? All right, so either one that I use, okay, all right, okay. Now, for the oil, whenever I put my moisture in, I'm using my apricot oil for my scalp and throughout my hair, okay? Now, when it gets a little cooler, I would go to my hair grease. You guys seen this one already too, and these are the ingredients that's in here right now. Okay, and this is the Nature's Blessings pomade, okay, that I've been using maybe a couple of years now. So I go behind with this. I put this on my scalp and throughout my hair when the weather is cold. I'm not using it now, okay? And for my hot oil treatment, this is my herbal mix. You guys already seen this one already. And it's just my herbs that's in here with the hibiscus flowers. And that's why I look just a tad little red. It's a little red, but on camera, it looked like it's gold. But yeah, so this is what I use for my hot oil treatment. Okay. Okay, so that's it on that note. So you don't need a whole lot whenever you're doing something to your hair or you try to make it look sleek and everything like that. And I just oil my scalp and moisturize my scalp and my hair, so my hair will stay like this. All I do is just put the scarf on there and then put my bonnet on, and once I wake up, it'll still be like this. If this needs to be fixed or whatever, then I'll fix it, okay? But like I said, these two, they work really great. This is almost gone. Sometimes I use this, but most time I do use this, and it looks kind of jelly. That's, I believe, because of the glycerin that's in here, and glycerin is a good humectant for the summertime. Okay, just remember that. And once again, I use this oil all year round just for a hot oil treatment. And what's in this oil, I don't know if I told you, but once again, it's just jojoba oil. Now, jojoba oil is a great light oil to use because it mimics our sebum that we have, and also the macadamia oil mimics our sebum as well. But I chose the jojoba oil to use for that, okay? And this is just plainly for the summer. Apricot oil, it draws the little levels of moisture from the atmosphere right onto the hair or the skin, helping to keep the hair and the skin hydrated and soft, okay, and moisturized. So that's why I choose apricot oil. You always see this oil in the summer around this time. And then for when it get cool, as I mentioned, I go just a tad heavier. This would be my barrier once I add my moisture. I won't use, I forgot to bring my other moisturizer down. It's the Just For Me, the hair lotion. I do use that. So I'll use that as a moisturizer, and then I'll seal it with this. Okay. All right. So I really hope and pray that this video does you well. If so, give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to share it. Thank you ever so kindly. Enjoy the rest of the week. God bless you. Mwah. Bye.